Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Clipchamp. If you are looking to add some fun and flair to your videos, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Here, tap onto the projects or new video to edit the video that you want. Now here you can find the option of overlay. Simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of emoji. Tap on it. Now you can find a lot of emojis. Scroll down. Now find the emoji that you want to add. Now tap on it and tap on to next. And you can also edit the emojis like this. And the video is now ready. Now that your video is ready, you can upload it to Instagram, YouTube or any other platform. And there you have it. You have just learned how to add emojis to your video using the Clipchamp app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.